the 15 most powerful medicinal herbs for healing the body and preventing diseases. This video is for educational purposes only, so do speak with your doctor if you have any medical issues. 1. Hibiscus. Drinking just 1 cup of hibiscus flower tea every day can help to prevent heart disease, which is the #1 killer for over 50s. Hibiscus flowers are rich in pigments called anthocyanins, which naturally help to relax your arteries to improve blood circulation throughout the body. This is actually the best natural remedy for lowering high blood pressure, as it works as a natural ACE inhibitor, similar to medications but without the usual side effects. Hibiscus also helps to manage cholesterol levels and improve brain health. Number 2 is turmeric. We tend to get more aches and pains as our bodies age, causing us to rely on things like ibuprofen and other anti-inflammatory drugs to ease the pain. Unfortunately, long-term use of these medicines can cause side effects like stomach ulcers, heartburn, kidney problems, etc. However, studies show that taking just half a teaspoon of organic turmeric per day or 1,000 milligrams in a capsule in the morning is just as effective, if not more, than ibuprofen to reduce inflammation, swelling and pain. Turmeric is labelled the king of spices, as it can also help you to lose weight by cleaning out stored fat inside your liver. And it also helps to lower the risk of cancer by preventing DNA damage. A top tip is to take a little black pepper with your turmeric, as this will help your body to absorb more of the active ingredient by up to 2000%. 3. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is a purple flowered herb which grows all over the world, and it's been used for centuries to heal the body from various ailments. This herb contains a group of nutrients called silymarin, and these act like natural liver cleansers, and they boost glutathione, the master antioxidant of the body. Milk thistle is widely used nowadays to help reverse liver disease and heal the liver. You can take 400 to 600 milligrams of freeze-dried milk thistle capsules split into 3 doses throughout the day. These supplements support your liver in detoxifying alcohol, medications, poisons and pollutants from your blood. It's also very good for reducing swelling in the feet and ankles by releasing trapped fluid retention. 4. Wild oregano. Wild oregano oil is a very powerful remedy for boosting your immune system, as it helps the body to fight viruses, bacteria, fungi, parasites, and other invaders that make us sick. It takes around 1,000 pounds of oregano leaves to produce just 1 pound of oil, making it a very highly concentrated medicinal liquid. Personally, I take 200 milligrams of wild oregano oil in a capsule 2 to 3 times a day with food when I'm feeling sick or under the weather. Please do make sure that your chosen brand contains around 70 to 80% carvacrol on the ingredients list, as this is the main healing ingredient. Carvacrol in wild oregano oil helps you to breathe easier, and it's been shown in studies to help prevent asthma attacks. You can also add a few drops of oregano oil into a neti pot with distilled water to flush your sinuses to clear out sinus infections and mucus from your airways. Additionally, it can be applied directly to kill toenail fungus and athlete's foot. 5. Ginkgo biloba. Ginkgo is one of the oldest living tree species, and it's been used for centuries to improve brain function. This powerful herb works by increasing blood flow and oxygen levels in the brain, sharpening the memory, improving focus, and even reducing the risk of dementia. It's very useful for those dealing with brain fog, poor concentration, or age-related memory decline. Studies show that taking 240 milligrams of Ginkgo biloba extract per day, divided into 2 or 3 doses, can boost mental performance and protect your brain against oxidative damage. it's also good for reducing inflammation in the brain, which is linked to neurological diseases like Alzheimer's. Number 6 is berberine. Berberine is a natural compound which is extracted from various plants like golden seal, barberry and tree turmeric, and it's quickly becoming one of the most popular supplements in the world for weight loss and managing blood sugar levels. This is very special because it activates an enzyme called AMPK in your cells, and this helps your body to burn fat more effectively as it improves insulin sensitivity. Taking 500 milligrams of berberine 2 to 3 times per day can help to lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes, making it a powerful natural alternative to diabetes medications. But do speak with your doctor before using this. If you're finding this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on so that I can keep you updated on the latest health and nutrition tips. Number 7 is black seeds. Black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa, is famously mentioned in the Islamic tradition as a cure for all diseases except death. It was prized by ancient cultures such as the Egyptians for its healing properties. This powerful oil contains something called thymoquinone, which has been studied for its potential to fight cancer by triggering programmed cell death. Research suggests that it may reduce the growth of several types of cancer, including colon, breast, and pancreatic cancer cells. Thymoquinone also supports your pancreas in producing insulin to control blood sugars, and it strengthens the immune system against all types of invaders. You can take 1 to 2 teaspoons daily to provide a protective effect against cancer and support your overall health. However, it's best to start slowly, as taking a little too much will cause diarrhea. Herb 8 is evening primrose. When it comes to balancing hormones, especially for women but also in men, evening primrose is a powerful natural remedy. This oil is packed with gamma-linolenic acid, an essential fatty acid that helps to regulate hormone fluctuations. For best results, take 3 to 4,000 milligrams of evening primrose oil daily, ensuring that it has a minimum of 8% GLA. It's excellent to ease symptoms of PMS like mood swings, bloating and breast tenderness, and women going through the menopause also use this to reduce hot flashes because it balances estrogen and progesterone hormones. The GLA also helps to heal the lining of the arteries and helps to remove arterial plaque to fight against heart disease. Number 9 is one of my favourites, lemon balm. Lemon balm is a well-known herb that's been used for centuries to calm the mind and reduce anxiety. This contains ingredients that boost GABA levels in the brain, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation by relaxing the nervous system. Drinking just 1 cup of lemon balm tea per day can help to lower stress hormones. I've used this for years with great success at easing anxiety and helping me to think more clearly. Lemon balm is also an ingredient in a sleep formula that I take in the evening to send me into a deep sleep, and I'll put a link down to this below the video. And now we have 10 cloves. Cloves are small dried flower buds that have been used for over 2,000 years in Chinese medicine. In the Middle Ages, cloves were actually as valuable as gold for their powerful healing properties. They're among some of the most antioxidant-rich spices in the world, and they're widely known for their digestive benefits. They work because they're rich in eugenol, which stimulates bile flow and increases digestive enzymes, helping to relieve bloating, gas, nausea, and indigestion. You can apply clove oil to ease tooth and gum pain, as it's been shown in studies to be as strong as benzocaine that's used by dentists. You can chew 2 cloves a day to reduce mucus in your lungs for those of you with a cold, asthma, bronchitis, etc. Alternatively, you can mix a few drops of clove oil with some coconut oil and rub it into aching muscles and joints to ease aches and pains. Next on the list is the wonderful lavender oil. Lavender oil is one of the most popular essential oils, well known for its calming and relaxing properties. True and fine lavender are the two types that are best for reducing stress, promoting relaxation, and improving sleep quality. The active compound called linalool helps to ease anxiety and lower stress levels, making lavender a wonderful remedy for those who are dealing with tension or trouble sleeping. You can use lavender oil in your home to create a calm environment, or you can apply it to your skin diluted with a carrier oil to relieve stress and tension in your muscles. It's also useful around the home as a natural air freshener, and you can add some to your laundry to give your clothes a fresh, soothing scent. Number 12 is very powerful, aged garlic. Although it's technically not a herb, aged garlic is one of the most powerful natural remedies for improving heart health. Through fermentation, the natural beneficial compounds in garlic, like S-acetylcysteine, become more potent and easier to absorb. Taking 1200 to 2400 milligrams of aged garlic extract daily has been shown to reduce blood pressure and small dense LDL cholesterol, significantly lowering the risk of heart disease. It also supports healthy circulation by preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Aged garlic also speeds up white blood cells in your body to fight off infections. 13. Moringa. Now, as we get older, our bodies lose their ability to absorb nutrients as well, which can leave us feeling fatigued and more prone to illness. This is why it's essential to eat nutrient-dense superfoods quite often to stay strong and healthy as you get older. Now, Moringa oleifera, also known as the miracle tree, is one of the most nutrient-packed plants on the planet. Just a teaspoon of Moringa leaf powder or a few capsules a day can provide a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, as well as calcium, potassium, magnesium, and many others. Moringa is also a fantastic source of plant protein, which is ideal for people looking to build muscle or repair tissue. Moringa is considered one of the best natural multivitamins for people over 50, and it also works very well to strengthen the joints and the bones with minerals for those who have osteoporosis or osteoarthritis. 14. One of my wife's favourites, ginger. Ginger is one of the best natural remedies for relieving nausea, whether it's due to motion sickness, PMS, indigestion, pregnancy, or chemotherapy treatments. The active compound in ginger, gingerol, interacts with serotonin receptors in your gut to reduce nausea signals to your brain. Taking 250 to 1000 milligrams of ginger extract daily can quickly get rid of nausea within just a few minutes of taking it. It also stimulates bile release from the gallbladder and liver, helping to digest fatty foods better. I recommend adding some fresh ginger to your meals, smoothies, or teas to enjoy its delicious spicy flavour, which is packed full of antioxidants. 15. Stinging nettle root. Lastly, stinging nettle root extract can be taken in doses of 300 to 600 milligrams per day. This is one of the best herbs to reduce fluid retention in the body by lowering inflammation, especially for people with arthritis or limited mobility. Stinging nettle works very well in helping to shrink and enlarge prostate in men with BPH, and it also improves the flow of urine from the bladder. This particular herb is also a natural antihistamine that helps to prevent allergic reactions, like sneezing, itchy eyes, and a runny nose, from things like hay fever without the common drowsiness that you get from those over-the-counter medications. Now, although these herbal remedies can be used to help heal your body, know that your body has the ability to heal all on its own when you stop eating fake processed foods and you switch to real, nutritious, low-carb foods instead. In fact, most illnesses and diseases are caused by simply eating too much sugar and carbs. For more information on the 12 signs that you're eating too much sugar and carbs, watch this video that I've put on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching another of my videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.